Na Ghana Development Bank Josephine. Asempa also no MPP much debut. What is the relevance of Ghana Development Bank? Now one people for the mu yebio. Asempa don't go for it.
Maybe I didn't say.
No, but one of them be out church or mu yebio. ADB wo ho.
DwasoNsem no opposition. That be
Ghana Development Bank. For what? What the 800 million? I'm come with me. I should be the 500 million. I recapitalize the ADB.
Yeah.
No more share. NIB ahodi. And NIB voluntary retirement be bring nipa be now for be baby.
NIB arena say.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Ghana Development Bank.
Yeah, Ghana Development
what?
To develop Ghana.
Their functions now. Yeah. ADB Development Bank.
To develop Ghana.
NIB. And then what's wrong? I mean, just you.
But we be developing Ghana. Also, ADB, agriculture development, developing agri. NIB, investment into where be developing Ghana.
No. They should stop this. Where you solve problems, no. And solve problems. What the CBG or saying in our back?
Yeah, CBG.
What that's so tiba.
And
the confusion and misunderstanding, the banking sector, Nankasano, are common nothing for. Yeah, media. As a master me back up. Odia, omomeyen who the investment appraisal document actually say bank no and for so I bet me at that in that that appraisal. But to me, the Ghana Development Bank is irrelevant
and unnecessary.
It's very unnecessary.
Yeah,
I
agree.
I don't know why
unnecessary.
This I don't know, but I said
they are always creating something. I don't know.
That's true. But
they are always creating something.
As finance minister,
honorable Ken Furiata.
Well, I'm more serious. They be avoiding to move about
the smooth talker.
No, but it's not good for us.
Yeah. That's where we are.
I don't know.
The smooth talker.
Ghana Development Bank.
Yeah, Ghana Development Bank to develop Ghana. Developing
Ghana Development Bank.
Yeah, to develop Ghana. Now, don't say Ghana back on any manner. Ghana Punto ya. Okay. Ghana Development Bank to develop a half. To develop all the system.
We can save a lot of infrastructure costs. We can save a lot of overheads.
Oh my God!
If we pump this money, 800 million, into these banks too, Amaka almost ADB, recapitalize NIB,
yeah.
Hey, now what's finance minister?